Aircross. Now, it's based on the Vauxhall Crossland X, but you really wouldn't know it because, look at it, it's a really funky looking thing, isn't it? Now, customization is a key part of the C3 Aircross. There are 85 different trim and specifications on offer. Inside, it's the usual Citroen fare that we've seen with the C3 Super Mini, so there's a focus on brightly coloured plastics and a focus on comfort as well. The Aircross is also the first Citroen to feature wireless phone charge, and there's the usual Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Under the bonnet you'll find the usual engines such as the 1.2 turbocharged petrol and the 1.6 diesel. Now this car will go on sale on the 1st of November, priced from just under £14,000, rising to just under £20,000.